Okay, day 4. What can I say about today? It was a fucking disaster. It's absolute chaos and peak hour at the local service station today, but we're on the way to Hajang. We set off from Dong Van and head to Hajang. We've got about 140 kilometers ahead of us. Today's ride takes us through some of the most remote areas of Vietnam, where many villages still live very traditionally. We had amazing views of the rock plateaus and Heaven's Gate, Quam Bay. We should arrive in Ha Giang late afternoon.
You okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm alright.
What happened?
Just ego. Oh yeah!
Oh, okay.
It is a good spot to stack it. I gotta admit, it is a good spot to stack it. Alright, shall we get back on the road?
For sure.
Let's do it.
So we're about halfway through day 4. Just stopped for a quick lunch break. Some of the Beth beef. Jake had a bit of a mishap today, coming around a blind corner, bus coming around the other way, jumps on the front acres and slides out. The front wheel just goes straight out from under him. The camera was okay, the GoPros were okay, and Jake's okay, so that's the main thing. Bit of a graze on his leg, bit on the arm, but definitely a bruised ego, hey Jake?
Pretty much. What's the moral of the story?
The moral of the story is probably take it easy, bro. Take it easy.
On-site service, beautiful. It's a rave party.
No, I just dropped the bike. I'm on my feet though, so I didn't actually go down. Benny landed on his back, nursing both of the cameras, cocooning them. Just came around that corner, I think there was a truck coming, and the bike in front of us locked up, and then we just locked up as well, so that happens, it's all good. Zane, our youngest rider, just took a tumble in the mud. That marks 3 crashes so far for the day. Poor Zane here, just clipped a local bike.
It felt like the back wheel was kind of just sliding. Well, actually, both kind of sliding around the corner. Ever since the mud, my wheels have been sliding all over the place. I didn't want to slam on the brakes because every time I touch either brake in the past couple of hours, it just slides out. I touched the front brake, slid out. That's how this happened. And every time I touch the back brake, I start fishtailing. And I was just trying to like lean out of it, but it felt like I was sliding towards it, and then I clipped it.
Coming around the corner, it's really slippery on these roads, and it's downhill, so you know, you get on that rear brake a little bit too much and it just slides. It's exactly how I went out before. So
Nah, this is what really happened. Sam was coming around the corner, there was a pack of puppies. He was like, fuck! Had to slide to stop, jumped off, had to do a flip, picked the puppies up from the bike that was still sliding, landed on his feet, only got a little bit, like, I reckon that's pretty good. Saved at least 10 puppies.
Still filming.
Still filming.
As long as you're alright, at least you got some footage. That's 2 in a day.
Took an
3 in a
hour.
day. Oh, man. Poor Zane. He went down 3 times today. The 3rd time was just a simple stack on a wet road. The roads are so slippery. If you just brake a little bit too hard or take a corner a little bit too sharp, you're going down.
Ali broke her leg.
Who? Ali. Fuck.
Don't want to do a brace on.
Need something. Seriously, guys, listen. Everyone, listen to me. Hang on. 1 second. It's really soft, okay? It needs something. Broken both bones above the boot. So if you lift it anywhere, it shifts and it really hurts.
Alright.
Head first.
It's going to hurt a lot.
You want to cross over? That one. Underneath my calf, Tono.
Right, so today has been a bit of a fucking disaster. Jake went down first, I went down second, Zane went down a couple of times, and then we've just come up around this stretch and found the crew up front, and Ali's come off her bike going around a corner. The roads are so slippery, it's just like this layer of like clay over the top, and you just touch your rear brake and you just slide. She's definitely broken one of her legs, maybe her second leg as well, so we've just splintered her up, gave her some drugs, chucked her in the van, and she's off to the nearest city, which is about an hour away. But I think the team did very well. Everyone came together, we got her on there, and I think she's in pretty good spirits considering, so fingers crossed she's all good.
I told you.
It's terrifying, isn't it?
Gotta be careful.
That's motorbikes though, huh?
Yeah.
I'm fucking a little bit nervous actually. I've had a couple of hairy moments today. Just where you're coming around a corner and you just lose traction. Yeah, we're just gonna take it
As you can
really
see, you can see how slow these guys take it.
Yeah. Today just turned into one of those days. With 6 stacks in one day, we arrived into our hotel so late. We were meant to get here early afternoon, and it was evening before we even got to the hotel. I just hope everyone takes it a little bit easier tomorrow.
Before Ali crashed, I was thinking, you know, at least at this speed, if you come off, you're probably just gonna, your arm is gonna protect you, you'll probably be alright.
Yeah, she must have fell really badly.
Yeah, the bike come down hard.
Yeah, it was real.
Because they do, they just go back when it washes out like
When
that.
that front wheel goes, it just,
All it does is just go slap. and
Where was
land
Tony
right
behind
on
her?
it. And yeah, so he's hit, I reckon he's hit the same oil.
Yeah.
Then Ali's gone down, and he's almost over the top of Ali.
Yeah, I
that
saw the
was-
peak marks, saw the skid mark.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
actually a bit frightening. I thought I'm gonna hit her for sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's so sad. They were good. They had a couple of good eggs too.
They were.
They were awesome.
She was killing it as well.
Yeah,
on that
yeah.
little- she's on a 125 as well.
150.
Day 4, 3 people went down, 1 person went down 3 times. We had 6 stacks today. Unfortunately, one of our riders has had to go to hospital, so they've been taken back to Hanoi. But the ride's gonna continue on, and we're really looking forward to getting back on the bikes tomorrow. All the bad juju gone, gone, gone. Good vibes from here. No more accidents, no more falling off. Fingers crossed.